Hey everybody, so today we're going to do an unboxing video. I bought some plastic plants from eBay. Your baby fry need a place to hang out and to protect themselves from the adults. Let's open this up, take a look at the quality, and see if I would buy these again. It's going to help my my baby fish stay alive and give my other fish some hiding spots. So let's take a look at it. So right now, I'd have to say the packaging is just real basic. They didn't really do anything in particular for it, but that's okay because it didn't really need it. Let's open this up. So let's take a look here. Oh, these are pretty nice. They look pretty nice from here. I got 5 of them. $15, so they're about $3 each. Okay, let's take a look at this. Oh yeah, they're a little shorter than I was hoping for, but that's okay because it's mainly for the platies, because they seem to want to hang out at the bottom more than the guppies do. But yeah, these are actually pretty nice. Feel good. They got a nice little weight on the bottom of them. They're all in really good shape. Oh, I like the fake roots. That's kind of cool. I won't ever see them because of the way that's the setup, but that's okay. I do like that though. They're weighted down pretty good, so that they should stay in place nice. Believe it or not, the other thing that this stuff is really good for is it'll act as biomedia. So all this little real fuzzy stuff here, this will start collecting bacteria and stuff, and it'll increase the the system's capabilities of processing ammonia and fish waste. So that's kind of cool. Very nice quality here as far as plastic plants go. I'm pretty happy with this. I think it will help provide the protection that some of the babies need. Especially, I think the platy babies. I think that these are, I think they're going to be more bottom dwelling as opposed to like the guppies, where the guppy babies just sit out at the top. They're fine. They have plenty of floating plants already, or plastic floating plants already. So they're pretty happy with. I'll take these over to the fish tank and go ahead and drop them in, and let's take a look and see how they look. They sink nice. Okay. Well, I think they look fantastic down there. The fish are already checking them out. That's pretty cool. All right. Well, there you go, guys. These are my plastic plants I just got. I really enjoy, I like them. They look good. They seem like it's a solid build. I would, if you're gonna buy something like this, I certainly would recommend it. Have a great day. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.